have the right to have me sit here and I drive my vehicle until I press charges to the police. Y'all might well do what you gotta do.
Where did this occur at? Right here?
Yeah.
You're currently pregnant now with his child as well? Okay. How far along are you?
5 years.
Your background, your criminal history.
Have you ever heard excuses so outrageous they lead to serious consequences? That's exactly what happened when Karen's bizarre justifications landed her in handcuffs, turning a ridiculous situation into a dramatic arrest. Let's start with this drunk woman who has a meltdown after being told she can't dance with another woman's husband in a bar. On December 17, 2022, the Flagler County Sheriff's Department was summoned to a local bar following a 911 call. The caller, a woman, reported that Mariah, a patron at the bar, had attempted to dance with her husband. When the caller confronted Mariah, the situation escalated, leading Mariah to assault her. This confrontation was only the beginning of a series of disturbances caused by Mariah that night. As Mariah continued her disruptive behavior, she assaulted another woman shortly before the police arrived. Her actions included attempting to serve herself drinks behind the bar after being denied by the bartender.
Hello, lady inside.
I definitely do not want to drive anywhere.
That's a good plan.
And that is a great plan. Those people in there,
So did someone get pushed?
I've been so pushed because she fucking came at me. Officer, I danced with them. No, my love. My love.
Not your love.
No, but everybody's my love. I'm peaceful.
So no one got pushed
I love
down.
my
There's no one that
jacket.
needs medical attention.
Can you please help me get my jacket?
Yeah.
What's your name? Elijah.
I'm investigating.
Sure.
What's going
Sure. Your name is Skur. Sure.
Who is the
How do you pronounce that?
Are y'all, did y'all come
No,
together?
he's
No.
he's Skur.
Saw her in there.
He's like Skur.
Okay.
Your name
Can
is
you,
Skur.
can you talk to this officer right here? This officer wants to
Hello.
talk to you.
I didn't see anything. We were
You
just
didn't see
leaving.
anything.
But I saw her dancing all night, so we just told her now not to drive. That's all.
They were out here. We were the ones that called you
What was
guys.
the other half? Because I
that's
saw in the
true.
notes that
She's
someone got
inside. The
pushed
girl
down.
that she struck is inside.
Okay.
On the way out, she punched the girl in the face.
Okay, let me get with
Yeah.
Can you help me find that?
Yeah,
that half?
that's why I called this police on.
Who are you, sir? My name is Mariah. I just wanted to come out because I don't go out often. I came out to have a good time with peace and love. As I was leaving, the niggas started acting funny. Now then, did I dance with you? Did I dance with you? Did I dance with you? Yes. And the girl, did I dance with you? Okay, so we're gonna get witnesses. Obviously, I danced with all of them and it was peace, right? Sir, because I need to show my account for things.
When officers arrived at the scene, they found Mariah in a highly agitated state, claiming her sovereign citizen rights and resisting their instructions.
So, blah, blah, four of them said I danced with them and there was peace. Okay, you have a camera on?
Yes.
Is your camera, is it beeping?
Yes.
My name is Mariah. I'm sorry if I touch you because I'm feeling really loving and kind right now. And I don't feel no separation because you're a policeman, because you're a human. I'm a human.
Yes, you are.
And I love people. And they shouldn't fucking treat me like I'm fucking not people.
Who treated you bad?
I would just sit in my car and be sober and relaxed before I left. Because I never get to fucking go out. I never get to go out and enjoy myself. And the bitch wanted to act stupid because she felt like I wanted her dude. What can I do about that when I'm a kind, loving person? I'm open to everybody. If I'm dancing, I don't fucking know y'all. I'm not like, these bitches come here every week. I'm a new person out of nowhere. I don't know who with nobody. I just want to enjoy my life and live and feel myself because I'm fucking always locked down with my children and my grandchildren. So why can't I fucking be?
You don't look like you have grandchildren.
I have fucking grandkids. I have 3 grandchildren.
Good for you.
Yeah, I'm a whole
Do you have
grandma.
your ID?
No, it's not me in the car.
in the
And
car.
my jacket is still in there and I'm cold.
Okay,
And
good.
I don't, can we please go get my jacket, Mr. Cozone? Say your name.
Kazone.
Can we please go get my jacket?
Yeah, let me
Because I'm cold as fuck.
Let me show you.
Married to her unconventional claims of sovereignty, Mariah refused to provide her identification, engaged in disorderly conduct, and tried to avoid arrest by making various outlandish arguments about her legal status. Despite repeated requests to calm down and comply, Mariah's resistance and erratic behavior only exacerbated the situation.
Because I am not a straw man. I'm a human being with a natural life. I am a natural. My name is M, lowercase A-R-I-A-H. I am not a straw man. No, you can't have shit. But here's what you can have. You can have the right to have me sit here and not drive my vehicle until I decide, as a human spirit of earth and creation that was born from fucking galactic motherfucking federation, to fucking be what the fuck I am. No! You want me? Answer the Galactic Federation, bitch.
Can we get
No,
your
no,
what
no,
happened?
no.
Why are you being mean to me?
I am not. But I have a higher Anunnaki you have to answer to. And you will not try me like I'm an average human being and I fucking have a soul. My soul. Do you have a soul? My God.
Just close.
Do you have a soul?
All right, don't.
Do you have a soul?
Don't do that again.
Do you have a soul? Where's your soul?
I don't know.
Do you have a soul?
You have to
Do you have a soul?
Can you give me your
Where's your soul?
right here?
Is it?
Yeah, can you give me your
I
license?
trust you.
Okay. Can I have
That's
your
it.
license?
No, I'm not. I don't need it. You know why?
I want to call your daughter.
Because I'm not a capital MA. My M has a lowercase a. Or lowercase. My M is the only capital. Everything else is lowercase. I am not a straw man. I am a full soul being.
They want you.
You cannot. No.
They want you trespass.
I know. I don't fucking gotta be here. I'll go across the street.
No, I can't let you.
Is that a problem? I don't need that fucking car.
You're drunk.
I am human.
I can't let you walk
I
out.
will sit in my own human. I have flash. You see this? You see my Merkaba? See my Merkaba? As fucking Eve Jean, right? So if I fucking, as a human being, with the A, with the M, with the lowercase after my fucking first letter, can move around, and my fucking sovereign being.
Mariah was subsequently arrested for disorderly conduct and assaulting a law enforcement officer. Her refusal to cooperate, combined with her continued resistance, led to additional charges. During the arrest, Mariah attempted to argue her case with claims of personal sovereignty and spiritual connections, which did not sway the officers or the court.
I'll go across the street and sit and relax. Why? What am I doing wrong? Tell me the sovereignty you have over me over the galactic. Tell me what sovereignty you have over me. You're still a fucking capital. All your letters are capital.
Yeah, I told you to stop touching me.
You lied.
You touched me
You're
again.
lying. You're lying. You're lying.
Stop resisting.
I'm not interested. You didn't take a breathalyzer. Take a breathalyzer
Stop
and the
resisting.
proper approach.
Stop resisting.
They did not take a breathalyzer.
No.
Y'all did not have patted me. Y'all didn't take a breathalyzer.
Stop resisting.
Take a breathalyzer! Illegally, y'all illegally arrested me. Give me a chance to be fucking listen to what you say.
No, ma'am.
Y'all say it
We told
and
you
y'all
stop. I
push.
told you to stop touching me twice.
You are not, because I want to show the letters, the difference between an M with a lowercase and an M with a capital letters.
Maria, you calm down.
I'll be fine,
What car is yours?
guys.
What car?
I need to know.
I want to make sure it's locked.
I need to know the evidence of what you're fucking talking about. Because I am not a regular, I am a
What car is yours so we can make sure it's
I
locked?
am a sovereign.
Okay, that doesn't matter.
I have a soul.
Representing herself in court proved to be a significant error. Mariah's approach was unsuccessful and she was sentenced to 12 months probation. The court found that her behavior constituted a serious breach of public order and disrespect towards law enforcement. Mariah's actions led to multiple legal violations with distinct penalties. Disorderly conduct under Florida statutes, Chapter 877, is a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in jail and or a $500 fine. More severe disruptions or repeated offenses can lead to harsher penalties, emphasizing the importance of maintaining public peace. In addition, assaulting a law enforcement officer as per Florida statutes, Chapter 784, is classified as a third-degree felony. This offense can result in up to 5 years in prison and fines up to $5,000, along with potential probation and a permanent criminal record, reflecting the serious nature of attacking an officer. and most importantly, refusal to comply with law enforcement orders under Florida statutes. Chapter 843 is generally a first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail and/or a $1,000 fine. If the refusal involves violence, it can escalate to a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years in prison and significant fines. These penalties are designed to ensure compliance with legal authority and public order. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even worse. In December 2022, a severe domestic incident unfolded in Florida involving a pregnant woman and her boyfriend. The couple, who were in the throes of a breakup, saw their situation spiral into violence. The conflict escalated to the point where the woman's actions resulted in significant property damage and put lives at risk. The confrontation began when the woman, furious over the breakup, used her vehicle as a weapon against her partner and his family. According to reports, she aggressively pursued them, attempting to run them over and crashing into their car on a nearby fence. This dangerous behavior caused substantial damage to multiple vehicles and created a hazardous environment for everyone involved, including her own child, who was reportedly in the car during these incidents.
It's her daughter-in-law. She was arguing with her son. We tried to tell her to leave. She's pregnant. And all that, but we told her to stop. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just stop, just leave. He say, I'm finna just run. He running away from her. We was coming to come pick him up. We bent this corner right here or whatnot. She took the car as she seen us coming. She turned around.
Who's she? She's coming this way?
Yeah, we was behind her because she was looking for him.
So
I already
was going
spotted
this
him.
way.
We coming this way. She went that way. She came back around.
Okay.
So now she see him coming to get in the car. Next thing I know, he getting in the car.
Talking
She
about
turned around.
The boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay.
He turned around. She turned around. I said around, which in the black market. She came. I said, my baby in the car. I don't know what y'all got going on. Da, 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 da. She said, okay. She said, I'm going to He went on with us. She turned around. Those people was out the door. These people out the door.
You were in the car while you were talking to
Yeah,
her?
like he trying to run. He getting in the car with us. We get ready to pull off. She heading on with us. Hit the gas. There go her parts. There go the part. I didn't even have no time to even put the car back in gear to get ready to just pull on. Yeah, she fighting with him with some things off.
When you say him, who's him?
He ran to the house. That's what he done barricaded himself in the house, getting away from her. All of the above.
Is that who you guys say?
Yeah, she done came back. She done went and bust the windows too. I don't know. She picked the baby in the car. We out running. I had to go back after she hit the car the second time. We forgot the damn baby. We couldn't move fast enough.
Who else was in the car?
She was in the car.
I was in there.
In there?
This the mom.
That's my son.
Her son. That's her daughter.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then she turned around. When she turned back around, to actually, after she done hit us for the damn second time, she pinned it.
She hit him against the fence.
What do you mean second time?
She was doing your turns out here.
Yes.
So she hit it, rammed it, backed up,
Yes.
Yeah.
and then came and
Listen
did
to
it.
me. Yes.
Yes.
They
And
go
then after-
pieces, and she pinned him. She had to hurt him. He took out. He
was
pinned-
up against the fence and
she pinned him, and she got out and she was hitting on him.
Yes.
She got out and started.
And as we was trying to go back for her ass, she hauled ass. She pinned him against that fence because he was pinned
with the vehicle?
with the car.
Okay, and that was a black Mazda.
Yeah, and she pregnant, so that's the only reason why I didn't touch
so
her.
he got pinned up against this fence here.
She turned around. He was running that
That's
way.
gonna
He
be-
was running,
that'll be
trying to get away from the car. But when she
now
went and she done went there and bust the windows on the car. Just look for a car that would bust windows.
Witnesses and evidence confirmed that the woman's actions were deliberate and repeatedly violent. She rammed the vehicles multiple times and even attempted to pin her partner against a fence. The situation prompted immediate police intervention, leading to her arrest on charges of aggravated battery and child endangerment.
Yeah, they get first and last name. That's local.
Her daddy worked for the city. Sean, and that's her daddy.
She live over there in Goldsboro?
No, they used to stay over there. I don't know where they moved.
16th and Mulberry area?
I don't know. They can stop talking. They doing your blood pressure. For him to leave. Oh, she wanted to leave him alone. So she chased them around here. We were on the over there at the house because set up a birthday.
Not want to leave.
Yeah, and he said, "Just take me."
And she tried to
tag him and everything. Yeah, that's what it started. She got out her car, was trying to fight him, but we pushing him back. We was telling her, don't even engage with her no more.
Right. I said, no, you won't
Go to jail because she gonna say
you
hit her.
and all
She
that.
was trying to attack him. What was she trying to do? She swinging?
Swinging at him.
Swinging at him. Okay.
And so we put him in this car. We told them to go. She followed them.
So this car actually left from that.
Yeah, left.
Came back.
Yeah, came. So to see if she would leave, because we were still there, we could have like said, oh, she left. But she followed them all the way around here, and we just get a call to come around here because she hit the car, and the kids were in panicking.
Yeah, so will we be getting information from the car that hit the home and this car too?
Yeah, well, everything.
Not at all.
So they live here.
No, they don't.
No. I'm saying they live here. The guy that was in.
We didn't know what's out to get at him. I don't think Papa you want nothing to do with it. He just say he glad he alive. But he gotta get checked because he's scared. Yeah, he's scared for his little life. Because he always going to jail for her.
Upon arriving at the scene, officers were met with a chaotic and dangerous situation. They observed significant damage to the vehicles and property, and testimonies from witnesses described the woman's reckless driving and violent actions. The police detained her at the scene and charged her with aggravated battery and child endangerment. The severity of her actions, combined with the potential risk to her child, underscored the seriousness of the situation.
Go ahead. Are you still about
car's
the call?
secured, and you wanted to leave him with the keys?
10:40.
Does he want me to keep the keys? I mean,
You can leave him with the keys.
You want him to have the keys?
Yeah, he's not really in it. You can leave him with the keys.
Okay. Let me ask. Yeah. And you're good with him having them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me make sure he's okay with accepting them first. And then...
Yeah.
So again, because I want to talk to you, I have to provide this to you. It's your Miranda warning. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of those rights? What happened? What, like, from the beginning, so like, what happened today?
My son's father at first, and then
okay.
And then we were just conversating, like not arguing or anything, and his I guess a friend of the family got in it because she thought I was talking to her because I said what, and she was like, who are you talking to? And I was like, I'm not talking to you. And then we exchanged words, and then I pulled off and she followed me, and then that's when like the cars bumped.
Okay. Where did the cars bump at?
I don't know. It was like right around the corner from the house.
Okay. Where I found their car at was Burroughs. That sound about right?
I don't know
Maybe.
what street.
You don't know the street name? Okay. When you say bump, like what happened?
Like she had stopped and then my car bumped into her car, and but they were out the car, so I don't know why I'm getting charged with assault.
Okay. And that was it? It just bumped one time? That was nothing else? Okay. Where was during this entire incident?
He was at
The house the entire time? Okay. You're currently pregnant now with his child as well? Okay. How far along are you?
5 months.
5 months. Okay. So you're saying that the car's only hit once. There's pretty decent damage to the front of that vehicle. Were you just coming back towards their vehicle and just...
Yeah, I had turned around to leave, and then I bumped their car.
Okay. There was damage on the passenger side as well, where the door was, like, you know how a door normally closes? It was bent backwards.
Yeah, I only hit the car once.
Okay. Did you ever hit the vehicle?
No.
Nothing whatsoever. Okay. There's damage to a fence over there. Bent in.
We were near a fence.
Okay. They're saying it was like
Following her arrest, the woman faced legal proceedings. She was charged with aggravated battery and child endangerment, both of which are serious offenses. The court swiftly processed the case, resulting in the woman serving 1 day in jail and being fined $3,000. Despite her efforts to downplay her actions and manipulate the narrative during questioning, the evidence and witness testimonies were compelling enough to lead to her conviction.
Did you ever think about calling law enforcement about what happened?
I know they had called, so that's why I just was meeting.
Okay. Do you think maybe you should call it like, hey, this what's going on? This is where I'm at. Can I have an officer?
Well, I was just meeting I was just going there to meet the officer, so I didn't think I had to call again.
Okay. So about 4 different people put pen to paper, provided us a written statement. Maybe one thing people just want to run their mouth, but when you put pen to paper, I get that. Why are they saying that you hit on with your car? Okay. There's more going on here than what you're telling me, and I can only work within the parameters of what I have. Because they're also saying that your little baby boy that you guys have in common with you was in the backseat of the car.
No, he wasn't.
None whatsoever.
No, but we'll see in that family. They already know me and have issues, so they know saying that will get me in trouble. Like, they have family members that call DCF on each other when they're mad. Like, that's just how their family is.
But from what you're saying is, like, you only bumped that car. The passenger side rear door is just backwards. Like, not the normal way a door closes. That just doesn't happen for...
Well, I mean, I hit the car. I didn't...
You said you bumped the front, but like this is on the passenger opposite side of where the roadway is. See what I'm getting at? Like this doesn't, and I ain't like coming at you like sideways. It just doesn't make sense. You came back. It's clear as day. It struck that vehicle. There's damage consistent with the back passenger wheel.
From a legal perspective, the woman's actions constituted violations of several key statutes under Florida law. Under aggravated battery Florida statutes, Chapter 784.045, aggravated battery is defined as committing a battery with a deadly weapon or intentionally causing great bodily harm, permanent disability, or permanent disfigurement. The statute prescribes penalties of up to 15 years in prison, a $10,000 fine, or both. The woman's use of her vehicle to ram and potentially injure individuals fits the criteria for aggravated battery. Additionally, the woman violated child endangerment laws Florida statutes chapter 827.03, which address child neglect or endangerment, particularly when a child is placed in dangerous conditions. This statute can lead to imprisonment, fines, and mandatory counseling. The woman's reckless driving with her child in the car exemplifies a serious breach of this statute, highlighting the severe implications of her behavior on both her safety and that of her child. This woman was wild, but this is still not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. On October 10th, 2022, a concerning incident unfolded involving a dancer from an exotic nightclub in Tampa, Florida. The nightclub's manager, worried about the dancer's level of intoxication, contacted 911 after noticing she was too impaired to perform her duties. Following the manager's instructions, the dancer was asked to leave the premises. As she exited the parking lot, her impaired condition led to a car crash involving another vehicle.
So what happened?
I just know there was a miscommunication. I know he thought we were more sober than we were.
Who's he?
Our manager. But I don't want to put him under. I really don't want to put him under anymore.
Okay.
There was somebody driving on this road that slammed on their brakes, and they slammed pretty hard.
Okay.
And we didn't know, obviously we didn't know that they were going to slam as hard as they did.
Okay.
Otherwise we would have stopped way before than they did.
Okay.
They slammed pretty hard on their brakes.
Okay.
And we slammed hard on ours.
Okay.
And we hit them, plate number or anything like that. I know that they stopped pretty hard on their brakes.
Okay. I mean, obviously that wasn't right here in the parking lot, right?
No. It was on Louise Avenue. They stopped pretty hard on their brakes.
Okay.
They stopped pretty hard.
How hard did you guys hit? Are you hurt at all?
No. Like, nobody was hurt or anything. I don't think anybody was hurt.
Okay.
Obviously, I think it was more of just a drinking mistake. Like, we drank a little bit more, and they drank a little bit more than they thought. Like,
okay.
I don't think it was anything.
Okay.
I'm obviously gonna tell you it was worth jail worthy, but like.
Okay. So it looks like you're. I get because I'm getting kind of.
Tampa police DUI officers promptly responded to the scene to address the situation. Upon arrival, they observed signs of severe impairment from the driver. The initial observations triggered a DUI investigation, with officers focusing on the dancer's behavior and the circumstances of the crash.
I don't even know if I guess I was getting conflicting statements on whether or not, if they were actually going to write a crash report or if this was like something different. So it sounds like to me that I guess there's potentially that they're writing a crash report. So being that that's the case, I'm just going to explain something to you real quick. Okay? My name is Officer Baden. Whenever I come out to do DUI investigations. So I'm not a part of any kind of crash investigation or anything like that. They called me out because they suspect that impairment might be at play here, which is why they've asked me to come out and talk to you and kind of get my. So where were you guys coming from?
From Winter Haven.
From Winter Haven. Tonight?
Yeah.
Would you guys stop anywhere before? Was this like a straight shot from Winter Haven? Did you guys go somewhere else tonight or what?
Yeah, we were coming straight from there.
Straight from Winter Haven?
Yeah. Am I allowed to use the bathroom? We're just trying to make money so that she can pay her car insurance.
Okay.
So that I can help her.
Okay. What time did you guys get into town?
Around 11.
Around 11. Okay, so, without looking at a watch, what time do you think it is right now?
During the investigation, the dancer provided conflicting and somewhat confusing statements about the incident. She attributed the crash to a miscommunication and described the other driver as having braked hard, which she claimed led to leg on. Despite her efforts to downplay the situation by minimizing her alcohol consumption, it became evident to the officers that she was significantly impaired.
12 something. I know what time it is. I know what time we took break and everything. We were just trying to make a break for to make a break and everything, so that we could try to make a break for her break and everything.
Okay. So after you guys got here at 11, did this happen immediately after that? Or
No.
Where were you guys before that?
I don't know what time exactly.
Okay.
Probably in between the time 11 and 12.
Okay.
But I know it wasn't.
So where did you guys go to that you were coming back up this way?
We were just going to the 7-Eleven on Del Mabry.
Okay.
Just to try to make some money so that we could.
Anything like that? Do you take any kind of medications? Do you have any kind of physical disabilities or impairments or anything like that?
No.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Only enough to call my mom.
Only enough to call your mom?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Just to call my mom and let her know that I've been drinking enough to let her know that I need to be bailed out.
Quantifiable number. Well, I don't understand what the
drink.
answer is.
I don't drink that much.
Okay.
I don't drink a lot.
Okay.
My mom would know if I was drinking enough to where it was she would have to come and bail me out of jail.
Would you mind if I checked your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to drive?
The DUI officers conducted field sobriety tests to assess the dancer's level of impairment. These tests included the walk and turn and one leg stand exercises, both of which are designed to evaluate a driver's physical coordination and balance. The dancer struggled with these tests, failing to demonstrate the required level of physical control and coordination. This performance led to her arrest on charges of driving under the influence DUI.
Tell you what, just step over this way for me. Go ahead and put your feet together. Hands on by your side. Side pocket, stand by your side. Can you see my light right here? Mm-hmm. What color is it?
Red.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this red light from side to side. What I want you to do is follow the red light with your eyes and your eyes on.
Following her arrest, the dancer faced legal consequences that included a 1-year probation period and a substantial fine of $5,200. The case highlights ongoing debates about the effectiveness of current DUI penalties and whether stricter measures are needed to deter drunk driving. In Florida, driving under the influence DUI is a serious offense governed by Chapter 316 of the Florida statutes. Specifically, Section 316.193 addresses DUI offenses and outlines the legal definitions, penalties, and procedures related to impaired driving. Penalties for a DUI conviction in Florida can vary based on several factors, including the driver's back level, prior offenses, and whether there was any property damage or personal injury involved. For a first-time DUI offense, penalties may include fines ranging from $500 to $1,000 to $1,000, probation, community service, and mandatory DUI school. In cases where the driver's back is significantly above the legal limit, or if there are aggravating circumstances such as an accident or endangerment, penalties can be more severe. These may include increased fines, longer probation periods, and possible incarceration. All right, fellas, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and educational contents in the future. Thanks for your support.